Hi guys, so for today's video, as you've seen in the title, we are making a magic message wand. So I keep looking on this side because I've got the instructions over here. So let's start. So what you need is three of these connection pads thing. You'll need a battery. No project can start without a battery. You'll need a microprocessor and an LED. You'll need these three. Okay, now after you do that, after you get those, you'll need 10 wires, any color, doesn't matter. I suggest a gray because they are long enough. So let's start. So the first, to start off, you need to connect it in a horizontal or vertical way. However you want to connect it, you can already see how connecting it, like this. Okay. Okay, now after you do that, connect the battery on the lowest end over here, then connect the LED over here, then connect the microprocessor in the center. Okay, now after you do that, take a wire and connect the negative terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the microprocessor. Then on the microprocessor, connect program C to program H. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. H. I don't know. Then connect MO7 to LED1, MO8 to LED2, and so on until you connect MO12 to LED6. A wire fell. Okay. After you connect those, connect the negative terminal of the microprocessor to LED7. Why was I confused? Because it says M1 minus over here. I have no idea what M1 minus is. I just assume it's M negative, to be honest. How to connect them to LED7. Then connect M plus to battery plus. Then as you will see, it'll start the lights will randomly start flashing. Okay, so they'll randomly start flashing. They're actually flashing to show a code. I haven't cracked the code yet. I'll wave it on the desk. It's not actually good to wave it like this because then it might break off. So I'll show you guys on my desk. Okay, so this is my connection thing. I'm literally looking through the camera and I'm looking. Okay, so as you can see, these things randomly start flashing. Let's put this horizontal. I'm holding it by the microprocessor. No, wait 1 second. Let's just yeah, much better. So let's just wave it like this. I think it's showing some egg? You can pause the video to see what it is. You can tell me in the comments. Okay, so if you want to see how to make the bow and arrow / slingshot, comment down below. If you want to see how to make the catapult, comment down below. Just comment which of more cool stuff you want to see. I'll make a tutorial on it. So like I said, see you again next time.